connected.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair the wristband remote to your headset. Here's a quick run through of the buttons. First, the joystick. Next, the side button. And last, the top button. To pair your wristband remote to your headset, simply hold down the top button for 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Now you should notice that the status LED should be flashing red and blue very rapidly. Now we need to activate the handlebar remote control setting in the headset. Hold down the jog dial for 10 seconds.
Group intercom. Intercom pairing. Configuration menu. Exit
Now,
configuration.
rotate the jog dial
Universal
clockwise
intercom
or
pairing.
counterclockwise
Remote control
until you
pairing.
get to remote control pairing and push in the phone button to
Configuration
enable the
exit.
feature.
Remote control pairing. Remote control connected.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Ride safe and always ride connected. That's the Sena way.